Hello, my name is Drew Hunt and I'm going to be your instructor this semester for your online course. Now I'd like to take this first short video and just talk to you about some of the main components of my online course structure that I believe to be effective, an effective approach for online education. Okay, so I have four main components that I focus on. Blackboard, obviously. Then there's going to be learning modules within Blackboard, and then tutorial videos, and then video lectures through a site like YouTube. Okay, first of all, let's talk a little bit about Blackboard. Blackboard is where everything resides. That's going to be all your course content, your links to outside material, your gradebook, assignments, projects, and also email. So you want to contact me through the email link in Blackboard on the left-hand side. It's its own little inbox. So that's going to be our learning management system. Now within Blackboard, another main component would be the learning modules. So the way that I structure the course is week by week. Each week has its own module, and then each module has its own objectives, learning objectives, assessment, projects, homework, things like that. So when you go into the modules, each week will be clearly labeled. Each week will be rolled out one at a time, possibly two at a time depending on what we're covering in the semester. And within that module, you'll find directions, you'll find links to videos that I create and also outside videos, and then you'll find the homework for the week. Could be like posting to a discussion board, or it could be a project where you work on your own website. Okay, so that's the learning module. The tutorial movies, I think, are very important. Those are the ones where you see my screen and you hear my voice, and you'll see my mouse moving around, and we'll accomplish a certain task. They're usually 10 or 15 minutes long. I'll create most of those, but I also sometimes refer you to ones on the web that I think are good. There are a lot of tutorial sites out there that you have to pay for that I can recommend if you want to, but you don't have to. I'll be creating a lot on my own and uploading them for you. You always want to go to Blackboard, so you may follow a link somewhere and it may go to one of my websites where I post the videos for you. Okay, and then the final component that goes into this course structure would be lectures. So that's going to look like what you're seeing right now. Maybe some more text on the screen, some bullet points, but you'll see me, and you're going to see me talk about what I want you to do for that particular week. Maybe also talk about the projects, and then talk about some of the course material that you need to learn. So it'll be like if you came to class, you'd get the same type of thing. It's just a lot more compressed, obviously, because of I don't want to upload videos that are 30 minutes long or something. So I usually break these into chunks about 10 minutes or so, and you'll get them through YouTube, which I think is the best way to deliver streaming content to you, video content. It'll probably be HD, so it should look pretty nice and sound pretty decent, and it's accessible on pretty much any device you have. Okay, so those are the main components that I focus on when I'm building my online class. Let me take just a minute and talk about some of the goals that I would have for making this the best experience that I can for you to have this semester online. I want to create a usable and easy to navigate course structure. So that's why you'll see the menu on the left-hand side never changes. It should be very easy for you to get around the course, easy for you to tell what's going on. Usability is key, I think, in online education. Also, predictability on my side, meaning that I don't want you to guess when I'm going to update things. I think that's something that can really hurt an online course, is if you're not sure when the instructor is going to be posting updates. You want to make sure that you get on a schedule. So I will be posting my updates at the same time each week. Now, I know that doesn't work in all classes. Sometimes people have to update content every single day or something, but in my case, I like to be very predictable with my updates, which usually are going to occur every Monday morning, sometimes during the week also, but I would let you know if that's going to happen. Okay, also I think creating a media-rich environment, meaning relying on videos and tutorial movies and audio for the content. So you don't want to get into a course and have to have the majority of the content be written. Video, audio, tutorials for what I'm teaching work really well. So I want to make sure I take advantage of that. Quick response time to your questions, I think, is important. So I'll try to respond within 24 hours. Usually it's going to be sooner than that. Got to make sure you use that email link on the left-hand side to contact me. And then also interactivity with me and with your classmates. I think one problem with online education is you can feel isolated. It's easy to feel like you're just out there by yourself because you don't come to class and you don't interact with people. So you've got me, you can always come and see me, or you can talk to me online. And then also I'll set up various homework assignments throughout the semester where you'll have to use a discussion board or a chat room or something like that to kind of interact a little more with your classmates. Okay, so that's it for my first little intro video. Now this is a video that I post for all of my online classes. From this point on, every video that I post will be specific to your individual class, so you can start working through those. And most videos you'll be able to find on your class's YouTube channel. So I look forward to working with you online this semester, and I will talk to you soon.